lovely beading people! How are you today? Happy Thanksgiving! I hope that you all will have a wonderful day today. Today I want to show you the new patterns that are available in my Etsy shop. I hope you will enjoy this update and have fun beading! This pattern is called Frosty Lace. It's an easy to make pattern with super duos and seed beads. So it's also very affordable to make. I called it Frosty Lace because it really looks like lace when you wear it. This is the perfect necklace for those who like more refined jewelry. This snowflake pendant is called Antic Dazzle. This pendant is not very hard to make, but it's more suitable for experienced beaders. If you like different color combinations, this is the perfect pendant for you. This pattern is called Frisky Flowers and they are made with Twinkle beads. I really like the look of these earrings. They are very snowflakey, but they could also be very cute flower earrings. This pattern is called Icy Crystals and they are stud earrings. This is one of my personal favorites. It's very easy to make and also fast to make, with just a few materials. If you like really shiny earrings, this is the one for you. This pattern is called Winter Twinkle. They are very tiny stud earrings and they are a perfect gift for Christmas because they are very easy and fast to make with just a few materials. This Christmas ornament is called Shining Bright. It's not very hard to make and the ends of the snowflake do stand up. It's made with 12mm bucles, twisted bucles in this case, and a large 18mm Swarovski Rivoli. It really sparkles when you hang it in your tree. This pattern is called Snowy Sparkles. It's a super shiny tree ornament with a lot of Swarovski. This is an advanced pattern and is not suitable for beginning beaders. If you really like sparkly things in your Christmas tree, this is the pattern for you. This pattern is called Poinsettia. This pattern is made from a video that you can find here on my channel. But some of you asked for the PDF file, so I thought I would just put it in the update. And that was it for this PDF file update. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and I will see you soon. Bye bye! On Black Friday you will receive a 20% discount in my Etsy shop. You can find the details in the description box. Happy Black Friday!